Internally generated intangible assets. Generally, internally generated intangible asset cannot be capitalized, but in some case it may be capitalized. Why we cannot capitalize internally generated intangible asset? Because as the cost associated with these cannot be identified separately from the cost associated with running the business. This is the reason. If it is possible, you may recognize intangible asset separately. However, following internally generated item may never be recognized. These are goodwill, internal goodwill, not purchased goodwill. Brand must head, like your heading of the newspaper, magazine, cover of the first cover of the newspaper, publishing title, and customer lists. The accounting treatment of brand has been a matter of controversy for some years. IAS 38 intangible asset has now ended the controversy by stating that internally generated brand and similar asset may never be recognized. The reason is expenditure on internally generated brand cannot be distinguished from the cost of developing the business as a whole, so should be written off as incurred. So whenever you have any expense, you write off in the statement of profit and loss account. Where a brand name is separately acquired, means you have purchased, and can be measured reliably, and it is also you are able to measure it reliably, then it should be separately recognized as an intangible non-current asset and accounted for in accordance with the general rule of IAS 38. Now to understand the concept in better way, see this illustration: intangible classification. How should the following intangible asset be treated in the financial statement? One is a publishing title acquired as a part of subsidiary company. A license purchased in order to market a new product. Publishing title. As far as publishing title is concerned, the answer depends on whether the asset can be valued reliably. If this is possible, the title will be recognized as its fair value. Otherwise, it will be treated as a part of goodwill or acquisition of the subsidiary. Next is license. As the license has been purchased separately from a business, it should be initially capitalized at cost.